Welcome to the chapter Why Use Linux and Where It Is Used under the module Understanding Linux Concepts. In this chapter, we are going to try to find the answer of the question Why use Linux and also see where the Linux is used. Linux is actually one of the most popular operating system among advanced users, especially developers and system administrators. Why user chooses Linux? Because it is freely available, easier to download, install and operate. Following are few of the features that made Linux one of the most popular operating system. Let's see those features. First of all, Linux is open source and freely available. This way, anyone can download, modify it, and can also sell commercially. However, such freedom is not there in other operating systems like Windows or Mac. Security. Linux is highly reliable and secure system than other OS. Linux and Unix based system have fewer security flaws since its code is constantly reviewed by many developers. Linux is developer friendly. The package manager in Linux is way more robust than any other OS, and this enhances the workflow for programmers remarkably. In most of the cases, you might need only one program, that is terminal. Portability. Linux is a very highly portable OS. It supports a wide range of computer architecture, be it a very small size devices like Raspberry Pi to very big computer like supercomputer. Pre-install powerful tools. It comes with very handy useful programming tools pre-installed like grep, wget, etc. It also comes with native support for SSH, which helps to manage the server smoothly. There are few distributions like Kali Linux, which is more customized for hacking and penetration testing tools. The another important feature is task automation. One can work more efficiently by automating some tasks. The bash shell scripting is supported natively and a very key to the automation. However, in Windows, you might need to install third-party software to do the automation work. One of the great feature is system update. A Linux user have full control over updating the system. The system updates are very faster in Linux and we can update the system at any time. This is not the case with the Windows OS. Privacy. Windows always collect user data, almost everything. However, Linux is very transparent and one can always look to the source code for such activity. Highly customization. You can see in our previous module, we can extend the GNOME experience by its extensions. Also, if you are a good programmer, then you can write your own extension and use for yourself. Hardware support. The Windows power system require a higher hardware requirement. However, the Linux can be installed on very low-end hardware systems. System performance. The Linux powered devices are very faster than Windows. One of the main reason is the Linux is very lightweight. However, for Windows, it is packaged with unnecessary softwares. The another reason for the high system performance is the file system, which are pretty organized in Linux. Linux can run almost everywhere. We can run Linux on supercomputers, to game console, smart TVs, smart watches, flight entertainment systems, self-driving cars, nuclear submarines, and many more. Even the NASA heavily relies on Linux for data transmission from satellite and telescopes. Let's see more where Linux is used. NASA runs Linux. Android is also a mobile operating system based on the modified version of Linux kernel. TVs runs on Linux. The LG company uses WebOS, which is based on Linux kernel. The Panasonic uses Firefox OS. Similarly, Samsung, Philips, and many other vendors use Linux-based operating system to power their devices. Finally, smartwatches and laptops runs on Linux. We can find more detail about the usage of Linux in the provided link below. That's all in this chapter. I hope you are excited about the Linux usage. Thanks for watching. In the next chapter, we are going to see various distributions of Linux. See you in the next chapter.